My name is Kevin Hunt, Transportation Manager with Fortune Fish Gourmet. Fortune Fish Gourmet is a wholesale distributor of food products. We sell just about everything except for fresh produce and chemicals and paper products that a kitchen could need. We're based in Chicago, and through some acquisitions, we now have branches all over the country, and we have 250 trucks. The challenges we were facing included calling drivers by sales reps changing routes, no visibility for those routes, and customer service was an issue where we couldn't give ETAs for our customers, or we had to continuously call the drivers. On a larger scale, strategically, we didn't have any visibility for what our routes were costing us time-wise or mileage-wise, and there's no way to cost against a route if you don't know what it's actually taking you. For driver hours, we've been able to much better manage our driver hours and our fleet use through these systems and knowing where our trucks are at, and then using the reporting tools also to pull out information. The solutions we're currently using are Descartes Route Planner On Demand and Mobile Link. The on-demand solution is the one we primarily use, and we started with that because we had nothing otherwise. There was nothing in our trucks and no route tracking, so we needed something. We've added that to our acquisitions, and it's been a great tool in bridging the gap between different ERPs and different acquisitions, but we're still on the same TMS system with on-demand and the drivers using Mobile Link. Some benefits to the business that we're experiencing now are being able to look very closely at route profitability and giving our finance team full access to reporting from the system and letting them take that data and run with it. And it's been eye-opening and an amazing chance to look at our business closely and make changes where we need to. Taking the question mark out of, is a stop profitable or is a route profitable, and being able to boil it down to dollars is incredibly valuable. These solutions have benefited our drivers in that they now have a guide throughout their day making deliveries, where their Mobile Link app shows them what stops are on the route, where to go next, and also loads a map for them with their geocoded location. And as the drivers have come to use it, now they rely on it and they ask for it, and we can sell it when we're hiring drivers also, that we do have a mobile solution for them to use. It's not just a paper list or something like that. In terms of customer satisfaction, we've learned that just being able to give the customer ETA time is sometimes all they need. It doesn't mean it's a rush or it's a red hot delivery we have to complete. They just need to know a time so they can schedule their staff accordingly. And to have those calls not filter back through dispatch, but instead answered by a CSR is incredibly valuable for everyone. I would recommend Descartes because of the breadth of the company and the number of solutions available. It seems like whenever we ask for something, there is a solution that already exists within the company. I think the number one piece of advice is clean your data before you start to do an implementation like this. Know what you want out of the solution and prepare your staff. It's a big launch and a growth point for the company, and it can be a very, very positive thing. For companies that were paper-based for a long time, this is a big step and brings them forward into the future.